BBS, so let me get this straight. You're actually Faze Rain.
Yeah, mate, I swear to God.
Dude, I'm such a big fan.
Dude, I mean,
Thank
oh my
you,
God.
Thank you.
I cannot believe Faze Rain is
Thank
actually in the
you for all the
lobby.
support, you guys. Thank you
Dude,
so
can you
much.
fucking send me a friend request?
Dude, send me a friend request too. Oh my God.
Alright, just calm down. Just calm down. It's alright. I know everybody wants to be friends.
Can you be my
with
daddy?
me.
Can you be my daddy?
Can you be my wife? I know we didn't know each other for a long time, but I gotta ask you something. Will you marry me? Thank you. Thank you. Ha! Gay! Are you actually Faze Rain? Are you lying to us?
No, I'm not lying to you guys. I swear to God. I'm not just some British prick pretending, alright? I swear.
Alright, well, how did you get into Faze? Can you tell us?
Yeah.
I can't, that's personal. I can't tell anybody that.
Whoa, dude, if you're actually Faze Rain, do you know the Collabula trick shot?
Sure, yes, I actually do. I know everything. I'm Faze Rain.
You know everything?
Yeah! The only thing I'm not good at is I'm white.
Dude, oh my God, are you part of the Unicorn Squad? Oh my God.
Yeah?
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
He's part of the Unicorn Squad. Holy shit.
I swear to God, I'm part of everything.
Are you part of the Illuminati?
Part of my
No.
sperm? Are you part of my sperm?
What's sperm?
Dude, I don't think he's Faze Rain because he doesn't know what sperm is.
Yeah, I'm gonna report him. I'm gonna report him right now.
Yeah, report.
No, I am. I know what sperm is, okay?
I'm still gonna report you because I don't believe you.
Wait! Don't. Why would you report Faze Rain? I'll be your friend, don't.
Are you sure you're actually Faze Rain?
Yes, I'm telling you. Why do you guys not believe me?
My idol.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you, bro. I love you. I'm not gonna lie. I just love
I love you
video.
too.
Can I have your left nut?
Can I have your right
Sure.
nut? If you're actually Faze Rain, is your left nut white and your right nut brown? Is that true?
Yes.
Oh my God. Wait, one more thing. Only the real
Is your
Faze
dick
Rain can
pink?
say this. Repeat after
Okay.
me. I just got.
swore I know, mate.
Okay,
He's
I'll put that on
by the way.
YouTube.